Hey, how you doing, fellow Apex drivers? Reed Gonzalez here. Welcome to episode 12. Today, we're going to talk about something super important, and that is your profile in your Apex driver app. The profile, it's going to be hard to fit this in 2 minutes right here because that is where most stuff is involved. All right, that's where all your images are, where you say things about yourself. So let's get right into it. The profile, when you first open it up there, you're going to see screen one, or it's going to say step one, and on the top right it's going to link to manage your account. Your Apex gateway link is on there, a photo of you. You could edit in there your number, you can edit your code without writing to support, but your code is listed in there in your profile. Actually, that's just in your sidebar menu screen where you can see all that. But in your profile, you go in and there's 3 steps in there, basically 3 pages. Step 1, 2, and 3. Step 1 area is where you have your bio, where you have your selected markets. Remember, you could just choose up to 5 markets to drive in, and then your TNC images, I think, are on there. No, just your markets. Okay, page 2, step 2 on there is your TNC images, Uber, Lyft, your delivery images. Okay, and then step 3 on there shows your vehicle images, the front and the back, and then your type of vehicle, your year and make and model, and then your insurance, current copy of your insurance image should be up there as well with the expiration date, which, by the way, if that's going to be expiring soon or is expired, let support know so that they can deactivate it for you in order for you to update it. That may be fixed though, where you could just put in an update. And then what else? I think that's about it on your profile. If I missed anything and put it in the comments below. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to this channel. Definitely share it with your fellow rideshare drivers. All right, guys, talk to you real soon.